Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can protect files inside your app project from AI edits on Base44 in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, in the first step, navigate to Base44, log into your account and make sure that you select the workspace with the given app project inside that workspace. So to find it, click into all apps here, or you may see the app project already here under recent. So what you want to do, guys, is left click into the app to access it. And as you probably know, Base44 gives you the opportunity to apply edits manually to your app project, but also to ask the AI here to do these or to perform these edits based on your instructions here, right? For example, you can ask Base44 to build various or to create or add various features into your app and so on and so forth. So guys, if you'd like to protect files you have inserted into your app from these edits, you can do that by navigating not to the app settings, but to the AI app settings. You will find these here in the bottom left, below the conversation panel with the AI. And here click into AI controls. And here scroll down, and below custom instructions, you will see this feature, right? Freeze files. So you can freeze all files at once by clicking into this button, all of them inside your project, as you can see, like the file for your home section, for various forms, layouts, and so on and so forth, icons, tasks, parts of your app will be locked, and you can unlock all of them by clicking into this button or click into the checkbox to protect them or selected files. And that's it. Click into Save Changes here. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.